Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Akwaba. Midin de Deborah. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be helpful when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, you already know what time it is. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy these types of videos and would like to see more. Also check out my 3-2-1 playlist for all the videos in this series. Right, let's get into today's lesson. So today's translation is, I appreciate what you have done for me. I appreciate what you have done for me. And how you say that in Twi is, Meni so de waye ama me. Meni so de waye ama me. Meni so de waye ama me. Let's say it together. Meni so de waye ama me. And again, meni so die waye ama me. Last time, meni so die waye ama me. Okay, so let's break this down. Meni so translates as I appreciate or I'm pleased. So me eni so becomes meni so. Me is me, my, or I. Eni is actually your eyes. So comes across as appreciate or pleased with. Meni so I appreciate. Dear. Remember the the backwards 3 looking alphabet is so it's dear. What? Waye. Again it's wo. Aye. Wo. Aye. Wo is you or your. Ye is this sort of doing word. Action doing word. It depends on the sentence. What you have done. Amame. Ma is to give. And again, me is me. But it's more so like for me. I appreciate what you have done for me. Meni so de waye amame. Meni so de waye amame. Meni so de waye amame. I appreciate what you have done for me. You could also say, I really appreciate what you have done for me. Meni so de waye amame pa. Or you could also say, I really appreciate what you have done for us. Meni so de waye amayeng pa. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Test yourself. Pa. Eni. So. Me pa chel. Ye mami. Yen. Yeni aso de waye ama yen.